What's up, guys? I'm gonna make a new account. See, the username is try_more9, and I'm gonna create a password. And I'm letting everyone that saw this video log into this. You can only play Bloxroot. You can play other games, but grind in Bloxroot. Let's try this challenge. Wait. Chicken. The password is gonna be chicken 123. Okay, done. So this is try underscore more 9. Yeah. Just cancel it. Yeah. And the password is chicken 123. Don't forget. So bye, guys.